Make a great choice today with the 2013 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.